Team X scored a total of n runs in 20 over, right? Team Y tied the score in 10% less over. Had the team Y average run rate, means run per over, been 50% higher, the score would have been tied in 12 overs. How many runs were scored by team X? See, इस तरह का questions, if at all you are getting such kind of question na, so whatever data is actually given in question, make it in a tabular form. Right? So this is team X and Y, right? And run. X has scored a total of n run in over 20. Then run rate is what? N by 20. N run in 20 over, so run rate is n by 20. By the team by tied the score in 10% less over. So run is n, 10% less over means 20 minus 10% of actually 20. Then 20 minus 2 is actually 18, right? So once it is 18, so then run rate is n by 18, right? It is clear? So had the team by average run rate been 50% higher, the score would have been tied in 12 overs. So required run rate, see what is the run rate of by? It is n divided by 18. So n divided by 18 is the run rate of by. It is 50% higher, means 50% higher means 1 plus 1 by 2, it is nothing but n by 18 into 3 by 2, right? This is 6, so this is n by 12, right? Then the score would have been tied in 12 overs, yes? So once the run rate is n by 12, then it is actually evident that the team Y will score n run in how many overs? 12 overs, right? 12 overs, right? It is okay. So how many runs were scored by team X? So it is clearly seen that n run which X has scored in 20 overs, by would be scoring in 12 overs, right? Once its run rate is 50% higher as per the question, as per the condition given in the question, then how many runs were scored by team X? So how to find out the value of n? No, there is no data given, right? So n cannot be determined. Can we get the value of n? No, it cannot be determined. So the whatever data given in the question is inadequate to find the value of n. Actually this question is actually seeking the information that you are able to understand the question or not. And since it is related with cricket, so I think it is very easy to understand, right? So the data given in the question is not adequate, so this is good question और आप इसको अटेम्प्ट करें, जरूर करें और इसको फर्स्ट राउंड में ही अटेम्प्ट करें, राइट? दिस इज गुड क्वेश्चन, क्लियर ना? कैन वी मूव अहेड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ ये पूछ रहा है कि टीम एक्स, राइट, एन रन 20 ओवर में बनाया, इसका क्या हो गया रन रेट? n by 20. बाई ने इतना रन 10% लेस ओवर में बना लिया, मतलब 18 ओवर में बना लिया, तो इसका रन रेट हो गया n by 18. अब क्वेश्चन ये बोल रहा है कि अगर इसका बाई का रन रेट 50% ज्यादा होता तो ये 12 ओवर में ये रन बना चुका होता. यस, जैसे ही हमने NY18 को 15% से ज्यादा किया तो इस द वैल्यू इज एक्चुअली NY12. So it is clearly visible that n will be achieved in 12 overs. So this statement is right. But can we get the value of n? No, there is no data given in the question. So the value of n cannot be determined. Right? Clear now? So n cannot be determined. So the correct answer is D.